All right, welcome to 2026. We are already off and cracking in the workshop, absolutely flat out. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough to show you what we're up to. Second week of Jan, the paint has just started back. Our paint booth out the back is in full swing. Chrome delete going on in there at the moment. I think it's in the bake mode. Let's go have a look in the workshop. F450 Platinum Plus. This is in for a liquid spring. This is the 2-inch kit, so it's the first 2-inch kit we've done. So 2-inch ride height. We'll go up to 5 and all the way down to about -1, which is pretty cool. So 2-inch. This one is staying a dually, so that's pretty cool. So 450 Platinum Plus. Another 450, the 2025 model Platinum. Liquid spring 4-inch kit has been put in. We're waiting on the dually. This is staying dually as well, so this is gonna be pretty cool. Bit of a street rig, tub staying on with big fat dualies. A cool front bar and the bits and pieces going on that. Y62 pre-rego GVM 4.5 ton. Waiting on the Raslar rear bar. That's about to go on. Chrome delete. This will be pretty clean build. Big GVM. That's what they need. New Ram 1500, which is pretty cool to see these rolling back through as the Rams start coming through Ram Trucks Australia. This has had the 4-inch, this is the full air, so 4-inch BDS kit. Wheels, tyres, and a pretty cool looking wrap, as you can see. Looks like we've got a Y62 Warrior in here. Looks like the boys are doing rear bar and draw system, power system, probably a roof rack going on this one. It's already had the chrome delete, as you can see. Let's keep rolling. Another Y62 4.5 ton GVM. You see the boys have got the changed over rear DMW arms, Dobinson coils, UCAs and all the bushes. Looks like they're doing an exhaust too while they're at it. So another cool little patrol build. Pre-rego 300 series. So again, 4.5 ton GVM, pre-rego. Seeing a stack of these 300s lately come through. I'm guessing Toyota just got delivered a heap. Now we get delivered a heap. You can see it hasn't had a wheelie yet. Rear diff strengthened, 4.5 ton GVM. Not sure what else is getting, but heaps of GVM on the 300. All right, let's have a look in the car park, the trucks that are waiting to come in. You see most of those patrols and domestic vehicles get pumped out pretty quick, and we bring some of the American trucks in the interim. There, obviously the bigger builds are here a little bit longer. F350 Platinum Plus. This is Greg from Making Tracks, so full build. You can see liquid spring, fuel, wheels and tyres, Renault roof rack. We've painted the rear chassis as well for the rust proofing. This is going to go over to Norweld, I believe, in a couple of days, probably tomorrow. Get the full tray canopy fitted, it will come back and we'll finish it off. 450 Platinum in the white. This is going to be a massive build. Stay tuned for this, you guys will see this. We're staying white, we're going full white, full off-road creative canopy, liquid spring super singles, full massive touring rig. There is no better option when touring. 450. Another 450 Platinum. Again, this one is waiting, tray canopy, liquid spring super singles. That's pretty cool. We've got our Ram 3500 we built a couple of years back on full Kelderman. He's come back for a couple of things. We're going to pull the canopy off for him and do some rod holders and bits and pieces on the back. If we can hook his boat on and go north again. New 2025 Gen 6 Ram. It's sitting here. It actually looks awesome. 35 method yokies. Outback kitters, 3-inch kit. We've got the Ram boxes, they come with factory flares. It's a night edition, so it's got the white out and the black out. It's got our aerial bracket up there. Just looks awesome, fully standard, doesn't it? This is Navara. I think this has come in for a snorkel and front bar. That's about it for him, I think. Y62. Got the dash bar on the front. This is a post-rego GVM. ARB base rack. Another 300, as I said, they're coming in hot. Another 300 pre-rego, no plates. Waiting the 4-ton GVM upgrade. 79 series, pre-rego GVM. One of the last pre-regos, but that is waiting, the 4-ton GVM. Another patrol on the pre-rego, 4.5 ton GVM upgrade. This is in the red with the bronze wheels. I actually stopped and looked at this a few times the other day. The blackout and the bronze with the red, it really works. This thing is gonna look awesome. I think this might be getting a supercharger and exhaust as well, maybe. Oh yeah. Chevy 2500 here, I nearly missed. Love the Chevy still, this is looking awesome in the dark blue. 3-inch BDS kit going in this one, pulling out what's in there now. We're going to reset the rear leaf springs for this canopy. Nice and simple. All the way over here, we've got the new Ranger Super Duty in the, I guess you'd call it Sandy Torp if you're a Toyota fan. I don't know what Ford call it. We've fitted a G-Works tray canopy to this one. We're doing some wheels and tyres. That is it. So it's pretty cool to see these. They might be called a Super Duty. They're not really a Super Duty. They're those 450s over there. 350 Platinum 2026. That's right. So my 26, first one in the country. It's going up to conversion. It's going to come back. This one's getting liquid and a full tub build. So this is going to be pretty cool. Tub rack. Actually, no, smart cap going on this. ADD front bar. Some cool stuff happening with this. F150. This is in for a GVM. You can see not rego yet. So I think it's getting the BDS kit, some of the TSA gear, and a power system, I believe. This one, maybe a chrome delete, F150. That's my truck. I haven't even had time to build that yet. So Y62 post-rego GVM on this one. Had the dash front bar all color coded up. And it looks like it's had a chrome delete as well. So still plenty of them here. Did miss one more patrol here in the middle. Got an aerial bracket there. Again, this has come in for a post-rego GVM. Again, so still plenty of GVMs. So guys, that's a wrap of the trucks and cars we're working on currently. As you can see, we are chockers. We're currently booking those March, April. So any GVMs, anything at all, touring builds, just to a snorkel, give us a shout. We've got a huge 26 plan. We've got some trips planned. We've got some influencers coming over from the States. We've got some massive builds in the pipeline, Ram 55, more F550s. So stay tuned. It's going to be an awesome, awesome year. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Give us a shout today. If you want to chat about anything, jump on our socials. Talk to you soon.